up, everybody? I'm back. My name is Tamara, and if you don't know me, I run the beauty and travel blog LOVEROFSHADES.com. I'd like to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here, and even if this is not your first time here, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe. I have a lot of dope content that I think you guys would really enjoy, and please go ahead while you're at it and hit the notification bell so you could be alerted anytime I release a new video. I try to keep at least 2 videos a week. One doing Shades Academy where I'm going over makeup basics, and the other one's for more advanced looks like this here. And today I'm going to be doing a neutral eye look. Now you might have, by the time this video gets released, you would have already seen the neutral eye tutorial on the Shades Academy. However, you get to see the full thing in this look right here. I'm also doing a separate tutorial for my ponytail, and child, that's gonna be crazy because I'm already letting you know I went through it to put this shit in. All right, so but anyway, please, if you want to get a look like this or something similar, you can also follow the same technique to get a classic smoky eye, which is more blacker and deeper tones. Then stay tuned and I got you. Okay, y'all, let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and take the P. Louise base in the color Rumor 3, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. If you need a refresher on the eyeshadow video, I do have one and I'll link it in the video. And then now I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to take my Beauty Rest palette by color Raine, and I'm taking that color Natural, and with my blending brush, I'm focusing on depositing the color strictly onto the crease. If it gets on the rest of the lid, don't worry about it, but we're going to start off with a nice transition color. Next, I'm taking the color Recharge, it's a deeper brownish color, and with my same blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and focus on putting this strictly onto the lid. Next, I'm taking the color Nighty Night, which is a deeper brownish color, and with my eyeshadow brush, which is more dense, I'm going to apply this on top of where I put the Recharge. Now I'm taking my blending brush and I'm blending out the Nighty Night and the Recharge into the Natural, which was our transition color, onto our crease. Next, I'm taking that color Dusk. This is a very deep, like purplish brownish color. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm focusing this strictly onto my outer V, or my outer part of my lid. Next, I'm using the Chocolates palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that deep brown color and just going over where I put the dusk, and I'm focusing strictly on the outer lid with my smaller blending brush. Next, I'm going back to my color Natural from the Beauty Rest palette, and I'm simply blending everything out and meshing the whole look together. Going back onto the Chocolates palette, I'm taking another brown color, and with my blending brush, I'm simply blending this out and putting it on top of the lid just to give more of a deeper effect to our neutral smoky eye. And I'm also doing the same thing. I'm basically going back and forth between the 2 deepest browns on the palette, and I'm focusing on blending that out. Next, I'm taking a black liner. You could use any black liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my waterline. This is very important when it comes to a smoky eye look, to bring the look together. Going back into my Beauty Rest palette, I'm using the colors Recharge and Dusk, and with my small blending brush, I'm just blending out my lower lash line, and this is also going to help bring the smoky eye look together. Next, I'm taking that color Dream, which is a shimmer shadow, and also with my small blending brush, I'm focusing on putting this into the inner tear duct. Next, we're moving on to complexion, so I'm taking my Hydro Grip Primer and applying that onto the face. Next, I'm taking my LA Pro Girl Conceal. This is a color correct, which is an orange color, and applying it all over the face. And then, of course, I'm going to take my foundation brush, which is by Real Techniques, and blend it in. Next, I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation in the color Kampala, and I'm applying this all over the face. As you could notice, I'm putting it in small tapping motions and then blending it in. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade number 345, and I'm applying this under the eye, and I'm going to allow it to dry. If you need an update on my complexion routine, I will link it somewhere in this video. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and with my sculpting brush, I'm simply doing my contour. And then now with my, I believe this is the Black Opal Medium Powder, I'm putting on my powder to set anything liquid on my face. Moving along with contour, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with a cream foundation stick, and this is by Tarte. I forgot the name, but I'll put it in the description box below, so don't worry. Next, I'm blending out my Fenty Concealer, so I'm using my beauty blender or also just a sponge and blending it out. Right now, I'm setting everything of all the work I did with my Morphe Mattifying Setting Spray. Next, I'm taking my Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 1 blush palette, and I'm taking the colors Neo and Zane, and with my kabuki brush applying it on my cheeks. Now I'm taking the color Anglola. This is by the Crayon Case, and this is a highlighting powder, and I'm applying it onto the face. And then I'm also going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm taking the color Firenze, and this is by Stila, and this is a liquid lipstick, and I'm applying it onto my lip as so. Next, I'm taking my Chestnut Liner, and this is by MAC, and I'm lining my lips. I also have a video, you could check it out, my Shades Academy playlist on lips. Now I'm just taking a simple lip gloss, and I bought this from my local beauty supply, and applying it on top of the lip to give it a shine. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I also hope that I broke the steps down enough for you to follow along. If you need a more in-depth tutorial on the eye look, by the time this video comes out, you would have already seen that I released my neutral or natural smoky eye look, which is this included in this look today. So again, if you need more in-depth or if you need more time to achieve the eye look, go ahead and check out that video. I'm gonna link it in the description box below and somewhere in this video if I can. Also, you'll see a separate hair tutorial for this, and child, I went through it to get this damn ponytail in. So y'all need to check that out, but it was a lot of fun to install. And that's about it. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Please go ahead and comment and subscribe as well. While you're subscribing, go ahead and share my videos or my channel to other people that you think might find my channel and my content interesting. Please go ahead and please subscribe. And while you're going ahead and subscribing, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can find me at Lover of Shades. My blog will be back up by the end of the month. I'm just working on a release date. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed again. Take care, stay safe, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.